Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best affordable sleeper chairs. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is First Class Sleeper Chair. Experience ultimate relaxation and comfort with the First Class Sleeper Chair. This reclining chair is designed for supreme comfort and convenience. It can fully recline to a flat 180-degree position, helping you fall asleep faster and wake up refreshed. It's great for relieving pain and preventing pressure sores. The chair has 2 separate motors, allowing you to adjust it to the perfect position. It can handle a weight of up to 325 pounds, making it suitable for users of all sizes. The LuxTouch premium bonded leather upholstery is not only beautiful, but also keeps you cool and is easy to clean. Using the hand controller is simple, as it smoothly lowers you from a standing position to sitting and back up again. With the first-class lift massage chair, getting in and out of bed is safe and effortless every time. This sleeper chair is at the top of its class when it comes to comfort and convenience. Number 7 in my list is Yodolla Sleeper Chair. Tired of those plain old chairs meant just for sitting? Meet the Yodolla Sleeper Chair. This chair is a chair, a lounger, and a bed all rolled into one. It's crafted from comfy linen fabric and a strong wood and steel frame, fitting well in any room of your house. You can adjust the backrest to find the perfect angle for sitting, reading, or even a quick nap. The chair is designed with wheels and a strap, making it easy to move around and store. Need an extra seat in your living room? Or a cozy place for guests to sleep? This chair has you covered. It can quickly and effortlessly transform from a chair into a bed, offering versatility and convenience for your space. Upgrade your seating and lounging experience with the Yodolla Sleeper Chair today. Number 6 in my list is Convertible Sleeper Chair. This soft and velvety chair comes ready to use, with no assembly required. Just take it out of the box and put it wherever you like. We suggest placing it in a cozy corner next to a small table for drinks. Once it's in its spot, you can set the pillow aside and open up the cushion. This cushion is designed for great comfort and support. It's made with high-quality memory foam and serpentine springs, ensuring a comfy seat. So you won't have to worry about complicated assembly instructions or tools. The chair is all set for you to enjoy as soon as you receive it. It's our recommendation to showcase it in a snug nook next to a convenient drinks table. When you've found the perfect spot, simply move the pillow out of the way and unfold the cushion, which offers excellent support with its memory foam and serpentine springs. Number 5 in my list is Bigsyy 4-in-1 Multi-Function Folding Sleeper Chair. This chair is soft and velvety, and you don't need to put it together because it's ready to use. Just take it out of the box and place it wherever you want. We suggest putting it in a cozy corner next to a small table for drinks. Once it's in position, you can move the pillow and open up the cushion. The cushion is designed to be very comfortable and supportive. It's made with high-quality memory foam and serpentine springs to give you a comfy seat. So you don't have to worry about complicated instructions or needing tools for assembly. The chair is ready for you to enjoy as soon as you get it. Our recommendation is to display it in a snug corner next to a convenient drinks table. When you've found the perfect spot, just set the pillow aside and unfold the cushion, which provides excellent support with its memory foam and serpentine springs. Number 4 in my list is Anoner Folding Sleeper Chair. This affordable convertible sleeper is incredibly easy to fold and unfold. It can also transform into a chaise lounge or footrest. It's light enough to move around your home or store away when needed. The memory foam cushion provides excellent support when it's turned into a sofa bed with a triple fold-down design. A Velcro strap keeps the backrest secure for added support, and the chair covers can be removed and washed. While this particular model is twin-sized, it's also available in single and queen sizes if you need something smaller or larger. There's one drawback though. Some reviewers mention that it sits quite low to the ground and feels a bit like a kiddie chair. However, another reviewer suggests it's an excellent choice for saving space and maximizing comfort. Number 3 in my list is Esright 40-inch Sleeper Chair. A sleeper chair with arms reduces the risk of rolling off during the night. This 3-in-1 convertible chair can be used as an armchair, guest bed, or a recliner. It even includes a storage compartment underneath to conveniently store the footrest/ottoman piece, making it easy to access when needed. Reviewers appreciate its simple assembly and the side pockets for storing books, magazines, remotes, and other small items. While some customers mentioned it could be a bit more comfortable, they like the chair's appearance and functionality, especially given its budget-friendly price. One reviewer commented, "It's not overly heavy or bulky like a recliner, yet it still reclines. It's more visually appealing than recliners, not as rigid as accent chairs, and offers greater comfort." Number 2 in my list, Costway Folding Sleeper Chair. Priced at just $170. This chair is the most affordable option on our list. It's constructed with a fox suede cover and a thick cushion sponge for maximum comfort. With 5 adjustable positions in the back and 3 positions in the footrest, you can easily customize it to your preferred comfort level, whether you're watching movies, reading books, or getting ready for sleep. The chair arrives fully assembled, complete with a pillow for added support, and its removable covers are machine washable for effortless cleaning. If you're seeking a sleeper chair for sharing, you may want to explore other options, as this one typically accommodates only one person at a time. Nevertheless, customers appreciate its versatility, as it can transform into a sofa, chaise lounge, or bed. They also value its affordability and comfort, especially for extended sitting periods. Number 1 in my list is Vonanda Sleeper Chair. This versatile 4-in-1 sleeper serves multiple functions. It can transform from a stylish piece in your living room into a sofa, lounger, bed, or even a chair with an ottoman. With its linen fabric and dense sponge support, it's a solid choice. You can easily adjust it to your preferred comfort level, thanks to the 5-level adjustable backrest and the footrest that can be set at a slant or parallel to your body for a cozy sleep. Reviewers appreciate its compact size, which conveniently folds into an ottoman, making it perfect for small rooms and accommodating overnight guests. However, some reviewers wished for a locking mechanism when it's converted into a bed, even though it's sturdy enough without one. One online review mentioned, "My husband, who is a large man at 6'3" and 350 lbs, took a tester nap on it and was pleased with how well it supported him." Alright guys, this we are today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing incoming videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description for updated price of all the products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.